Okay, we're going to go over the Active Directory Adapter, how to enable and disable logging. So first of all, we'll start off with our adapter service. In this example, we'll be using the IBM Security Active Directory Adapter. So you can see it here listed. I'm looking at it, the Windows Service Manager, and we note that the service is running. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to go into the root directory of the adapter that's installed. By default, this is installed in C drive, program files, IBM, agents, or ISIM, agents, and here we'll list the folder. The bin folder is where the executable for the adapter is. In this case, it'll be agent config dash agent and then the name of the agent. Okay, the default key is agent, and that brings you to the menu. So let me show you quickly what the logging has in the adapter as it's running now. So if we go to the source folder of the installation, the adapter logging is really not very detailed. As you note here, it gives you some very specifics. Probably the most important piece here is the version of the adapter that's currently running. So when we go into this utility setting, and we'll go to our activity logging, which is option E, and we turn on the base logging, which is option H, you notice that the status has changed here. And if we go one further step and turn on thread logging, which now all of the logging options are set, we'll get the most logging out of the adapter ever. One thing to note here, option D and option E will give you the size of the log file that will rotate in the property for the adapter. These are set to 1 megabyte each file, and it'll keep 3 max. Sometimes for events that run longer, you'll need to increase that. So you can go 10 megabytes of 10 logs. Total space that will be used is the two together. So just make sure you have enough room. So we'll go back to this here. Once I'm done editing my changes, I'll go back to my service manager. I will restart my service. And now when we go back and look at the logging, you'll see quite a bit more logging that's enabled in the adapter here. So a restart of the service will restart our logging. We'll go into the second log, and now you can see the details of this logging have quite a bit more logging. So that's how you enable the AD adapter, which is an ADK based adapter, to have debug logging set for you, which you can in turn then take the output of the log file post reproduction of a problem and submit it to the IBM support team for assistance.